Okay, lah. Okay, student. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. And then the first, would you like to introduce yourself by name, yeah? Okay. Okay. The first, you stand up. Stand up. Tell your stand up. Berdiri. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Afi Alfiana.
Where do you live?
I'm Rajut Suboto.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is cooking.
Cooking. Okay, nice. You, the next. Stand up. Okay, please tell your name.
My name is Azahra Cantika Nugraha.
Yeah? Where do you live?
I live Selangire, Sepotong, Ledok Sari.
What is your hobby? Okay, the next. Stand up. Wait, what is your name?
My name is Aurelia.
Yeah. Where do you live?
I live in the Kausari, Kepulauan Ledok Sari.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is swimming.
Yeah, swimming, nice. Okay, next. Good. What's your name?
My name is Nia Anggreni.
What is your hobby? My hobby?
My hobby is swimming.
Where do you live?
I live in Dangdar, Kepulauan Ledok Sari.
Okay. Okay, the next. Stand up. What is your name?
My name is Ibnu Ardana.
Where do you live?
I'm Sembung Kidul.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Yeah. Good. Huh? What's your name?
My name is Faisal.
Ya, speak up ya, speak up tuh keras ya, yang keras. What is your name?
My name is Faisal.
Where do you live?
Sidoarjo di Kembang.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is bicycle.
Ya?
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Ya, oke, right. What's your name?
My name is Faiz Assaluddin.
Faiz. Where do you live?
I live in Josari.
Okay, what is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Drawing. Menggambar. Okay, nice. What's your name?
My name is Fikri Abdulazak.
Huh?
Fikri.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Karanganyar.
Karanganyan. Okay, what is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football.
Playing football. Soccer. Okay, next. What's your name?
My name is Khairul Aman.
Khairul Anwar. Where do you live?
I live in Tegalrejo.
Huh?
Tegalrejo.
Tegalrejo. Maksudnya ada Tegalrejo B benar.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobby is fishing.
Huh?
Fishing.
Fishing. Memancing.
Yes.
Oh ya. Okay. Stand up. What's your name?
My name is David Asam.
Yeah. Where do you live?
I live in Tegalsari Kembang.
Yeah. What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football.
Playing football. Okay. Sudah tadi. Ini ya. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Abdul Farizah.
Yeah. Where do you live?
I live Mei Tompa RT 1 RW 2 Ngagrong Gadek Sari Beri.
Okay. What is your hobby?
Drawing and silat.
Drawing and
Silat.
silat. Oh ya. Sport. Yeah. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Safi.
Yeah. Where do you live?
I live in Tombak.
Tumpa. What is your hobby?
My hobby is planting.
Planting. Berarti menanam sayuran gitu atau apa? Oh ya, stand up. Okay, stand up please. What's your name?
My name is Luis Aulia Sari.
Where do you live?
I live in Wadusari.
What is your hobby?
Red Tebu.
Huh?
Red.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, stand up, please. Stand up. What's your name?
My name is Yuni Saramadian.
Where do you live?
I live in Solengan.
Where? What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Yes. Sit down, please. Yes, stand up. What's your name?
My name is Charwanti.
Sarwanti. Where do you live?
Candi Sari.
Antisari. Okay. What is your hobby? Yeah. Okay, sit down, please. What's your name?
My name is Rindianita Sari.
Where do you live?
I live in Maduman.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is swimming.
Okay. Okay, please stand up. What's your name?
My name is Alia Lindari.
Where, where do you live?
I live in Tukansari Sari.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Okay, sit down. Okay, stand up. What's your name?
My name is Rani Arifah Akrayemi.
Where do you live?
I am Sakoraja Sari.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is cooking.
Cooking. Okay. Pintar masak. What's your name?
My name is Nadifan Sari.
Where do you live?
I live in Tanah.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is swimming.
Swimming. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Kikura Susiana.
Where do you live?
I live in Gandang Sari.
What is your hobby? My hobby? What? Swimming. Okay. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Eka Devin Suranto.
David Suranto. Terus, where do you live?
I live in Tombak.
Tompa. What is your hobby?
My hobby planting.
Planning. Okay. Planting ya, planting. Okay. Stand up. What's your name?
My name is Rayhan.
Rehan. Where do you live?
I live in Rembang.
Kembang. Nah, okay. What is your hobby?
My hobby is football.
Football. Oh, soccer. Okay. 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 Now, what's your name?
My name is Adi Hidayat.
Where do you live?
I live in Kembang Ledek Sari, Boyolali.
Boyolali, bukan Jawa Tengah juga.
Yes.
Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now, what's your name?
My name is Afrianta Ramadhani.
Where do you live?
I live in Wates.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is play volleyball.
Volleyball. Okay. Biar tinggi nanti ya. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ilham Suryado.
Where do you live?
My
I live in.
Tegalrejo.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is football.
Football. What's your name?
My name is Livan Aditya.
Where do you live?
I live in Tombak.
Tompa. What is your hobby?
My hobby is volleyball.
Volleyball. Okay, thank you. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Aziz Bayu Saputra.
Where do you live?
Kupo Gledek Sate RT 1 RW 6.
Your hobby?
Your hobby?
My hobby?
is football.
Okay, thank you. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Anja Setian.
Where do you live?
I live in Karangasem.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is football.
Football. Okay, thank you. Stand up, please. Okay, please. What's your name?
My name is Tia Pramestiano.
What is? Where do you live?
I live in Polesari.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is singing.
Yeah. Yes, stand up. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Hayam.
Where do you live?
LF, Pratik Sari Artetia.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is driving.
Yeah. Yes, now. What's your name?
My name is Inggris Denisi.
Where do you live?
My I'm Stercapulan.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is driving.
Traveling. Thank you. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Kayla Aidi.
Where do you live?
I live in Hong.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is
Cooking. Okay. Pintar mas.